Hi everybody, so today in this video, it's gonna be a, what's inside my backpack, my school backpack, and yeah, I have a filming schedule now, and I'm gonna be putting down the schedule dates, my filming and uploading schedule dates, um, down below, so yeah, so, let's just get started. Oops. So this is my backpack. Yeah, I did not, take anything out. I did not take anything out from it today. This is just what I have normally inside. Well, most things, but yeah. And then, this is what it looks like. It's my North Face. And so, yeah. So on the sides, the pockets, one of them, it just has Gatorade. This is the Cool Blue. And, yeah. And, also, um, so yeah, that's for the pockets. And then for the big pocket, so I just have my, there's no particular order. I just like picking it out randomly. So this is my pencil case, Kipling. It did not come like this with the star. I just like enjoyed it with the pencil. Yeah. So basically what I have right here is a monkey inside. So I just have like mostly pencils, highlighters, scissor, pens. Yeah. Next I just have a book, but I had to return it to the school library. So this is the Julie's Wolf Pack. You have to cover something because it says my school name. You know, privacy. So I just have a bookmark. I just randomly taking stuff out. This is yeah, yeah. This is like a piece of paper for art. Well, before, but and then I have this one for art. This eraser. And I just have like money because for my homeroom for some of my classes we do like rewards and stuff like that. So I just have a pencil, number two pencil. And I just have my extra PE shorts just in case. The Nike. And then I just have my social studies notebook. I know it looks like crap. I know, okay? Yeah. And this one is my scheduling, YouTube scheduling, filming and uploading notebook. So yeah, I just give you guys a sneak. So I just basically write my YouTube, the title of my YouTube filming slash uploading schedule. So yeah, and then I'll just tell you the days. So it's Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays, starting this week. So and I just have like the titles of what videos I'm gonna film and upload. So, yeah. Next is my math notebook. It's basically it's a 5-star notebook, and yeah, I have lots of work in here, like lots. That's why sweet. I have natural lighting today, so that's good. And next I have my notebook. No, sorry, that was a schedule. I cannot show you guys that. And then so I just have, you know, like It's my agenda. It's my agenda. And then my backpack just wait. And then I just have okay. So yeah, so I just have my agenda, which I can't show you, and then I just have for the pockets. For the first one, I just have my book bank envelope thingy, like some of the classes that do like fake money stuff. So then I have an iPad pass. And I just have what's called my Tuesday folder. Oops, I just I'll pick that up later. And some of my work from different classes. So yeah. And then I just have my homeroom stuff. Like for the banking, what we call it. And then my work. That one I got 20 out of 20 in case you're wondering. And the second section is math, which is red. And also the folder is red. Just have my stuff. And then art is blue. I don't have anything because my teacher, he does not free-hole punch it. So, and then English is yellow. So yeah, I just have like my work and such. And science is green. Which I really don't have science because I switch classes sometimes. Like, I just switch my classes. So, and I just have a flyer that should definitely go in the trash because it's old. It's old. So yeah. So I have my backpack now. So. And then for the second one, second pocket. As you can see, there's something right here, and this is my what you wanna call it, progress report. Um, and my teacher said we can't open it, but whatever. The heck? That's cool. Huh. Well, okay. So next, I just have my keys, my house keys. You just squeeze it. Yeah, that. And I just have some hair ties. Yeah. I was keeping there just in case, like for pee and stuff. And then two pen just in case, black pens. And yeah, I have my calculator and then my breakfast from this morning from 85 degrees. And yeah, that's pretty much it, to be honest. Oh, my eye looks like my eyebrows look like a snake. Watch. See, it looks like a snake, to be honest. Like the shape of a snake. Shape of a snake. That totes rhymes. So yeah, well, bye already. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys soon. And this is my makeup look. I know I did the eyeliner so bad, but yeah, I just have like different shades of pinks, like a little bit, and then yeah. And I just set it down because I use like a bright pink for the color tattoos, I just put like um natural crease brown color. So bye everybody, peace, subscribe.